Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up color palettes from brand assets in Adobe Color. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Adobe Color website. Once the page loads, sign in to your Adobe account if you haven't already. After signing in, locate the Create section on the main menu. Click on Create to access the color wheel. Here, you'll see various options for generating color palettes. To get started, select Extract Theme from the tools available. Next, you'll need to upload an image that represents your brand assets. Drag and drop the image into the designated upload area or browse your files to select it. After the image uploads, Adobe Color will automatically analyze it. You'll see a suggested color palette based on the primary colors featured in your image. Take a moment to review the extracted colors. If you want to tweak any colors, click on the color square to reveal a color picker. From there, you can adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness to match your brand identity. Once you're satisfied with the colors, you can save the palette. Click the Save button to store it in your Adobe Color library. You can also add a title and description for better organization. Be sure to select the appropriate keyword tags for easy searching in the future. After saving, navigate to the My Themes section to view all your saved color palettes. To download your palette, click on it to open the details. From there, you can export the palette in various formats, such as ASE or SVG. These formats can be easily imported into Adobe applications like Illustrator or Photoshop. Now, return to your design project in Adobe. Open the color picker and click on Color Libraries. Locate your saved color palette under My Themes. Select the desired color to apply it to your design elements. Repeat this process as needed for different brand assets. That's it. You've successfully set up color palettes from your brand assets in Adobe Color. Enjoy creating with your newly organized colors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.